Hello guys, myself Sautik Dotto. Today I am going to talk about some questions about about career path in Salesforce. So let's start. First question is, Salesforce is a good career path or not? Yes, Salesforce is a good career path. Choosing a Salesforce career will be a better option than any other profession. Seeing the opportunities that is creating in the market. There is an increasing demand for professionals from this field. It will prove to open a lot of better opportunities for growth in your career. Now, the next question is, which career is best in Salesforce? In Salesforce, best path is consultant. Salesforce consultants are the beating heart of any great Salesforce project. They play a vital role liaising with technical staff, creating and managing projects, and ultimately ensuring their business get the most out of the Salesforce platform. And now the next question is, there is any scope in Salesforce? Yes, Salesforce job are plenty, and the scope for Salesforce career is vast. According to a study by Gather, businesses of all sizes are switching from on-premise to good deployments. It's predicted that in 2019, investment on SaaS will reach approximately $42 billion. Now the next question is, does Salesforce pay well? Yes, the average estimated annual salary including base and bonus at Salesforce is $1,40,000 or $67 per hour, while the estimate medium salary is $1,52,000 or $73 per hour. At Salesforce, the highest paid job is a group product manager at $2,49,000 annually, and the lowest is an office manager at $59,000 annually. The next question is, it is hard to get a job with Salesforce. While it is not unheard of for people to get a job with just a Salesforce certificate, for most roles will you will need some form of practical experience. This is the classic chicken egg situation where you can get a job without any experience, and you can't get experience without a job. Now the next question is Salesforce stressful? The Salesforce administrating itself is not very stressful, but in my experience, how stressful a job is rarely dedicated by the work subject matter, and for more often by the work environment, amount of work your feet in the organization, your relationship with your boss, your and other employees. Now the most demandable question is, does Salesforce need coding? Everyone asked, Salesforce is best demandable job, but it is need coding. So as Salesforce is a low code or no code application development platform, you don't need to have a coding background to become a Salesforce developer, which makes it perfect career choice for you. If you wish to launch your it career without any prior coding experience, and you don't need any programming background, or you don't need any programming language to know, just only few programming language you need to know. So this is from my side. If you have any queries, so contact with us. My mobile number is 811 6400648. So bye, have a nice day.